Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm in sunny Florida. I picked up some shells on the beach and I decided, hey, why not turn it into art? So what I've done is I've applied some acrylic inks, white on top, a little bit of blue below, and some turquoise underneath. Now I'm gently, very gently, blending this in with my brush. So I'm hardly putting any pressure at all because I don't want to lose those layers of colors. I just want to blend it in gently. With a flat brush, I'm adding a little bit of the darker blue. This is to show the sky and also the lines in the water. Water never looks flat. As you can see in my background image, there's all sorts of reflections in the ocean, from the light, the dark, the light, the sun, the moon. So you want to add very, very, very gently those darker lines. Now here I worked wet on wet. I think I should have let it dry a tiny bit before I added this darker color because I did not want it to blend in as much as it did. Kind of the ink spread, and I would have liked these lines a little bit thinner. Now we're adding some white, and this is where the waves are hitting the beach. So if you want, add the white from the start, let it dry because it will blend in, and then once it's blended in, you can put some very white dots on top in certain places to really show those peaks of light on the waves hitting the beach. Now we add a little bit of brown to the bottom and gently blend it in. If your brown is too dark, you can go ahead and add a little bit more white. But you should have enough of the white from the waves left over so that your brown becomes that nice light sandy color. And to finish it off with some black, we're going to do some little birds in the sky. You don't have to put the birds, but I find that it looks cute.